ready to cash out some of your Bitcoin on Bybit and take those profits. First, head over to Bybit and log into your account. Make sure you have your 2FA enabled for security. We want to keep those precious Bitcoin safe. Once you're logged in, click on the Assets tab in the top right corner. This is where you'll find all your holdings on Bybit. Next, locate your Bitcoin within your spot account. If your Bitcoin is in another account, like derivatives, you'll need to transfer it to your spot account. First, look for the transfer button to move it. Now, navigate to Trade and select Spot Trading from the drop-down menu. This is where we'll actually execute the sale. Choose the BTC USDT trading pair, or the pair you want to trade your Bitcoin for, like BTC USDC. USDT is a popular stablecoin pegged to the US dollar. Under the trading chart, make sure you're on the sell side. You can choose between a limit order, where you set a specific price you want to sell at, or a market order for an immediate sale at the current market price. For a quick sale, choose market order, then enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to sell. You can also use the percentage buttons to sell a portion of your holdings. Finally, click the Sell BTC button. You'll likely see a confirmation prompt. Double-check the details and confirm your sale. And that's it. Your Bitcoin has been sold, and the equivalent amount of USDT or your chosen currency will now be in your spot account. You can now withdraw those funds or use them for other trades on Bybit. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Bybit tutorials.